Unraveling phrases. Replace old strings. Hello and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Replace old strings. This phrase can unlock various shades of meaning, depending on the situation. Let's explore together and make sure you can use it confidently in your conversations. Replace old strings is straightforward when taken literally. Imagine a guitar, violin, or any stringed instrument. Over time, the strings may wear out, lose their tune, or break. To ensure the instrument sounds its best, you would replace the old strings with new ones. This action restores the quality of sound, ensuring the music remains beautiful and resonant. Metaphorically, replace old strings suggests making changes or updates to something that is outdated, worn out, or no longer functional in its current state. This can apply to various aspects of life, including relationships, habits, thoughts, or even technology. For example, if someone says, "It's time to replace old strings in this office," they might be suggesting updating equipment or changing outdated practices. When applied to personal development, replace old strings can be a powerful metaphor. It encourages us to assess our habits, beliefs, and relationships critically. Are there any old strings that hold us back, cause us discomfort, or prevent us from achieving our full potential? Replacing these with new strings can mean adopting healthier habits, fostering positive relationships, or embracing new ways of thinking. In the realms of business and technology, replace old strings emphasizes the importance of innovation and staying current. Businesses need to continually update their strategies, products, and services to remain competitive. Similarly, in technology, software and hardware must be updated regularly to improve performance, security, and user experience. Failing to replace old strings could lead to obsolescence and decline. Understanding the phrase, "replace old strings," enriches your English vocabulary, allowing you to express the idea of renewal and change in various contexts. Whether discussing musical instruments, personal growth, or the evolution of business and technology, this phrase can add depth and nuance to your conversations. We hope this video has been informative and inspires you to think about what old strings you might need to replace in your own life. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.